This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you again.
You too, Bill. Good to see you.
We hear about people saying that it's harder for self-employed people to get a mortgage than it is for someone who's working for somebody else. Is there any truth to that?
Yeah, not really. I mean, the self-employed borrower, the documentation requirements are going to be a little more intense. We're going to require a few more things, in particular tax returns. We don't always require those when you have a W-2 employee that works for somebody else. But the tax returns, getting those 2 years of that together, year-to-date profit and loss statements, there's some additional documentation we typically ask for a self-employed borrower.
Is there anything that they can do to help their chances or maybe improve their income to debt ratio?
Well, there are some things that you can do, and the tax returns are going to show us what your income is. And what we see a lot of times with a lot of self-employed borrowers is they may not be incorporated, they may be sole proprietorships or just small mom and pop type organizations. Keeping really good records of what you're doing and how you're writing off your expenses and those kind of things can help us. Sometimes we'll see things in the tax return that maybe we can add some income back as we track your income through your bank statements and those kind of things. So keeping really good records, maybe using a software like QuickBooks or something like that, can help you in putting your information together. And that sometimes can help us with our debt ratio issues.
You say it's easier to be approved from a local mortgage company like JTS and Company or a chain?
Well, the thing about us is that we're local and we get face-to-face with all our clients all throughout Mississippi and Alabama, and that's a real advantage. So, when you're doing 1-800 numbers and you're trying to go through a national company or something like that, a lot of things get lost. And, we had a client came in last week that I'd been working with a national company and they told me there wasn't anything he could do. We sat down and really analyzed their information, looked at it, found out he has several options available to him. A lot of times when you're dealing with 1-800 numbers, they're really just looking to try to run you in, run you out, not necessarily really sit down and look at your situation. So we try to make our process really easy and adaptable to you to try to help you as much as we can.
Well, here lately rates have been trending pretty low. Is that still the case?
Yep, we're still in very low territories, and we feel like the rates are going to hold out pretty steady throughout the rest of this year at this point. We did see a little bit of spike in interest rates late last week, coming off some economic news, but overall rates are holding out very good, so it's a very good time to buy and to refinance. Still a lot of people out there that hadn't refinanced, shortened the term, or are still at a higher interest rate.
But let's remind everyone that if you missed last week's program, you can always go to the JTS Facebook page, or if you want more information, you go to 329-9090 and give them a call, or visit their website at jts-co.com. And a happy belated birthday to you.
Well, thank you so much.
21 again last Saturday.
21
right?
one more time. That's right.
One more time.
I did. Thank you.
Yeah. Jeff, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
We'll be back with more in just a moment.